Hello my dear friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Avilash and I'm your trader next door. In this video, I'll recommend 5 stocks for 29th March 2021. So this analysis is for 29th March only. You'll see me again with a new list of stocks for 30th March tomorrow. So if you're watching my channel for the first time, please do subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and stock recommendation. Okay, so let's get started. So the first stock that you can already see on the screen, okay, it's Average EVR. Okay, and you can see that Average has formed a green candle, okay, bullish candle, and it has just closed above the daily resistance, okay, which was at 552, and the stock closed at 556. So, and the stock closed at the day's high, which is a very good sign and a very bullish sign. So, what should be a strategy? Our strategy is simple. As the stock was very bullish, we will be looking for buying opportunity only above 557. So this is the level that we need to watch. 557 for average. And the second stock for day is SMDS. For SMDS, you can see that the last traded price is 409.9, and as you can see on the screen, it has formed a doji kind of a pattern with good price rejection from above. Okay, which signifies that yes, the stock tried to go down, but there are buyers present in the stock who did not allow the stock to go down, and they closed the stock at 409.9. So this was a bullish sign. Okay, therefore we'll be looking for buying opportunity only above this level, above the day's high level. Okay, and the day's high was at 411. So therefore, if we get the stock above 411, 411 level, it's a buy call. So the next stock is LGE and Legal and General Group. Okay. This is the stock of LGE, and overall the stock is in uptrend, or the stock was in uptrend, but right now the stock is in consolidation. Okay, and you can see that the stock tried to cross the daily resistance, which was available at 279. Okay, the stock has got resistance at 279 level, and it tried to cross, but it failed. Okay, and ultimately closed at 277.5. And by looking at the price rejection from above, okay, we can look for shorting opportunity on the stock below this level, below 276 level. 276 is the day's low. Okay, as you can see that there was some good price rejection from above, so there we may get some good opportunity to short the stock below 276. So this is the price that we need to keep our eyes on LGEN. You may get bored because it takes a lot of time, or I take a lot of time, because see this I do not want to simply give you the list of stocks and the price. Okay, I also want to educate you. The main purpose of this channel is to educate people. You should also know how to filter stocks. You should also know how to screen stocks. Okay. That's why I also recommend stocks, and I also explain the reason behind it. So let's jump to the fourth stock. It's MND BONDI. For BONDI, you can see that BONDI has formed a big green candle yesterday. MND BONDI has formed a big green candle, and there was some good price rejection from above. Sorry, below. Let me remove this previous blue lines. Okay, so we can see that BONDI, at BONDI has closed at 1911 level. Okay, and BONDI has crossed this daily resistance. Okay, there was a daily resistance at 1881 level, and BONDI has crossed the level, or broke the daily resistance with great power. Bulls were very much in charge that day, and ultimately it broke the daily resistance, and there was also resistance at this level, 1900 level. Okay, because on 1900 level there was a previous high. Bondi has broke that also, which signifies that Bondi was in was a big bull. Okay. Therefore, we'll only be looking for buying opportunity on Bondi, okay, above this level 1915. This is the previous day's high. Okay. By looking at the chart, you can see that Bondi was dominated by the bulls. Therefore, only buying opportunity above 1915 on Bondi. And the last stock is ENT. For Entain, you can see that the overall the trend of the stock is very beautiful. Look at the stock is in uptrend undoubtedly, which is a very good sign. The last traded price of the stock is 1554.5, okay, 1554 level. And as you can see on the screen, the stock closed at 1554. There was some price rejection from below also, which signifies that yes, the stock went down, but the buyers did not allow the stock to close here in the 1520, 1530 level, and they pushed the price all the way to the 1554 level. Therefore, buying call for Entain above 1555 level. Okay, this is the level that you need to look for. Just remember one thing: Entain has resistance at this level, 1589 level. So if you enter in Entain, then you need to come out by at this level, 1587. So hopefully you have understood. These are the 5 stocks that you can trade on 29th March 2021. Hopefully you have understood, and if you have liked the video and found the video informative, please give a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Thank you so much. And all the best. Please do subscribe. See you tomorrow again. Bye bye.